All right, we're gonna test out the video here, mostly the exposure. But hey.
Oh, hi.
I didn't turn on the front camera because you don't need it while skiing.
I don't know if you can see me.
I don't know if you can see us. We're skiing. There's a bra in that tree.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Lord, there's some beads.
There's some beads. Anyway, we are at Crested Butte, Colorado, and we're doing the ski. Samantha is a pro at it.
No, I'm not. This is my third time skiing ever in my entire life, so
she's a pro.
So I don't know what I'm doing.
We'll show you. Who wants to watch Samantha ski?
I'm so afraid of this ring.
I know. Yes! You got it, you got it. We do it. Selfie stick. Put your goggles up. What are we doing? I'll see you on the other side. I'm going over there. So close. So. All right, coming up. I was filming too. You did. All right, pound it. I'll race you.
No.
You want to play tag?
No.
You're it. No tag backs. Nice turn. Man, isn't she great? Last run of the day, Samantha.
Last run of the day.
Last run of the day. Look at that view.
So great.
And you are skiing tomorrow because
Yep.
you're a pro and it turns out it's fun. Who knew?
Turns out I just needed to come on this list where the
Ski the same
people-
run 6 times.
Where the people aren't here. Was that the 6th time?
At least. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that was like.
I think that was the 6th time. It's a good run.
Lucky number 7.
Well, it's one of my favorites from childhood.
It's a pretty good one.
You put the wrist strap on so your pole doesn't come off. Put the other wrist strap on so both your poles stay on. You clack your poles together, then you put them in the ground. That's what it's all about. Samantha, do a trick for all your fans. Go jump off of this part over here. See, it's like a tiny little jump. And not really. Nice. Look at her, she's got the skills. Let's do this one more time. Oh, ouch. Hey, you can try going that way if you want. Ah, never mind. Any last words for the camera?
No.
Do something cool. Camera's on. Hi. That's cool. Saying hi is cool. He's got places to be. Let's see if we can catch him. Don't get cocky, kid. Oh, he got cocky. You good? Hey, you all right?
Slow to get up, Jim. I'm not sure he's not hurt.
Samantha. Hey. Nice job. That, there's no boat. Oh yeah, not the one under the lift. It's that over there. Think of how you'll feel if at the end of this you've done a blue.
Okay, well I can come down here and do the rest of this if I want to, right?
Yes. Well, how?
Come straight through.
You'd be on this slope over here. How would you get over here?
Come under the lift.
Yeah, that's all blue.
Yeah. So if I don't want to keep going down to the bottom.
Oh yeah, no, you can come, if you come right here, that's the end of the blue. If you get here, you've done it.
Okay.
All right, this is Samantha's first blue run. Right up here is where it gets steep. She's gonna crush it. You had it halfway down already.
No.
Yeah, he just got crossed a little in the back. Good? Let's go. Good one. Keep nailing it. Yes! Ah, now I'll just fall myself. This is Samantha's first blue run a second time. Crushing it. Full send. You are a machine.
It really wears me out.
Yeah. All right, last run of the trip. Don't fall.
I probably will.
I consider it bad not to fall at least once on a ski trip. If you don't fall, you're not pushing yourself, but we've both had our falls. We did it. That is our ski trip. Samantha, what do you have to say?
That was a good ski trip.
Skiing can actually be fun.
Yeah.
Take off the goggles and the mask, you can prove it's actually Samantha.
Hit me.
That'll be upside down.
Yeah.
All right, see you later.